Hello, so today what I'm planning to do is I will just teach you all how to conduct your last experiment in surveying to practicals. I'd already sent you all a link on the website on YouTube basically to create a login in Bhuvan portal of Indian Space Research Organization and download some of the satellite imageries freely available there. Alright, so after you have done that, if you have not done that also, go to the same link that I had sent you on annapurnasakatland@wordpress.com, and on that click on this survey 1 and 2, and in this there is this lab manual which is already saved. Go to this lab manual and go to the, if I am not mistaken, the second last experiment that you have here. Okay. Uh, this particular experiment, interpretation of satellite images, we are going to do using a software. First of all, we are going to create a satellite image by overlapping the images which are taken in various bandwidths. Okay, so you go to this experiment number 7 and you follow the steps which are mentioned here in your lab manual. Okay, so first thing that you need to do, go to this YouTube. Okay, click on this how to download image from Bhuvan ISRO. Once you click on this, then I had sent you the link of this particular video. Follow what is being told on this particular video. Go around 5.5 minutes. Up to that much you view this video. Okay, by Dr. Chinmaya Rathod. View this video, create a login on Bhuvan portal. So once you open this Bhuvan portal, you will see something like this. Go to open archive data. Okay, once you do that, open archive data. Okay, you will see something like this. Okay, then type here. Now since there has to be uniformity, you can do this for any place. Okay, anywhere in India, anywhere in any part of India, but just to have a uniformity, I had suggested we search for Greater Mumbai. But before you search, for any data, you need to log in. So you will have to. I have already logged in here as Annapurna Secretary. So you log in, then you search for this. Okay, search for this data. Okay, and before that, now what you have to do is you have to select this as list 3. Okay, select this as list 3, then search for this Greater Mumbai in Maharashtra. Okay, same results not found. Do one thing, go to map sheets. Okay, and then probably if you search over here, so sorry about that. So what you do, you just search for the Greater Mumbai. Okay, delete everything else. Just search for the Greater Mumbai. Okay, you will get something like this, or you may get these many suggestions. You can click on any of these. Okay, then you this if you let's say you select this place will be marked on the map. Okay, now you have to click on this eye. The moment you click on this eye, it will tell you the map sheet number. Okay, you go here and then you click on this eye. Okay, so once you type Greater Mumbai, you'll get some multiple options. You can select any of those options. You get some garden in Greater Mumbai, then I've selected something like Greater Mumbai, Mahanagar Palika, whatever you want, you can just type. Okay, once you select that, no, you will get one symbol here on the map. Okay, now I need to know the topo sheet number of this particular area. So what I will do, to know the topo sheet number, you go to this eye and click eye. Okay, once you click eye, whichever tile your cursor will be, you will get the map sheet or topo sheet number of that particular tile. So now if I go to this tile, okay, slightly enlarge this. Okay, once you go to this tile, the moment you get your mouse in any tile, you will get this topo sheet number. Can you read this? E43A16. Yeah, this will be the topo sheet number of that tile. If I get the cursor here, I will get the topo sheet number of that tile. So the moment you start moving your cursor, wherever your cursor lands, you will get a topo sheet number for that particular area. So let's say I select this E43A16 that you can see on the screen. Okay, so I will type here E43A16. Okay, the moment I do that, I will get the images taken from the satellite of the area in that tile. So you can see so many images are taken. Okay, can you see this? So you select any one image. Each image will be taken in 4 bands. Okay, you people must be conversant with all the bands and all that EMS in your theory. Hopefully it is done. So you try to select whichever is the latest image and download it. Okay, once you download this, okay, it will take some time, I'll skip this part. Once you download this, you save entire all the images or whatever is the content of this. You start downloading, you get a zip file, save it somewhere, and then we will be working on a software called Imaging. So I'll just show you an example of what I have downloaded. Okay, so let's go to that folder. This is a folder that I have kept on my desktop, and this is what you get after downloading. Now if I click this, can't see anything. You'll get something, a black image like this. It's of no use for us. What you need is, you need to overlap all these 4 bandwidths, then only you will get a proper image. So you have to create a color composite image. So to create that color composite image, we need a software. So what I want you all to do, go to Google, okay, and then type ImageJ 32-bit. Okay, you can type 64-bit also. 32-bit is sufficient. Okay, type ImageJ 32-bit. Go to this particular link. Okay, once you go to this link, you will get this. Click on this and you will get the setup file. This is the open source software, so click on this, you will get the setup file. Then run that particular software. Once you run that particular software, you will get, this is a very light software, it's not a heavy thing. So you will get this ImageJ. Okay, in your programs you will find ImageJ somewhere, it will be there. Anyway, that's not important. So you will download that thing, run the software, you will get this particular software. Okay, ImageJ. Okay, now once you have this ImageJ, you have to go back to my lab manual. Okay, because even I need to refer it, I don't know this test by heart. So you go to this lab manual and you will have to follow the same steps. The first step, satellite images will be downloaded. So you create a login and download any of the images. Preferably take images from Greater Mumbai. Okay, then once you download it, save the images. You will get images mostly in 3 to 5 bands. Mostly you will get 4 bands. Okay, mostly list 3, since you are selecting list 3. I hope I told you all how to select that. Okay, over here on top you are selecting resource set list 3. Okay, you are going to select satellite sensor and then resource set list 3, and then you type this Greater Mumbai. Then after that, once you get that balloon thing, you go on I, you get the map sheet number. Type that map sheet number here and you will get all these images. out of this select any one file, preferably the latest one. Once you select this, download this, keep it on in a folder, all the contents in one single folder. Then download image software. Once you download image software, run the software, you'll get something like this. Now you have to just follow the steps of your lab manual. So you have downloaded. Now open image to create the composite image. So first thing is you store it in a folder. Second, open one image at a time. So you go to this, okay, and then you go here, open, or go to that folder, start opening one image. Okay, this is first image. Okay, done. Again, second image. Open, but you have to open it one at a time. Don't select all and open. It doesn't function that way. Okay, so then we go to this third, open. Okay, we go to this. Now when you click no, just read here. This is band 5. Similarly, when you click this, there will be some other band here. This will be around in 4 bands. Okay, so open. Now once you do it, your next step will be select image tab, okay, then color and merge channels. Where is the color? Color is here. Then go to merge channels. Now when you merge channels, here there is already something written. Now for this we have a guideline. The guideline is mentioned in your lab manual. Assign C1 red band 4. Okay, so you go to this. Okay, assign C1 band 4. Now you have selected some. No, is there band 4 in this? Yeah, there is band 4. Sorry, C1 will be band 4. Then C2 will be band 3. Okay, again go here. C2 will be band. Here it is selected by default 2, so you make it band 3. Okay. Then C4 will be band 2 and C3 will be band 2 and C4 will be band 5. Okay, C3 will be band 2 and C4 will be band 5. Do it like this. Okay, then say OK. Once you say OK, your all your color composite images ready. So you get an image like this. Okay. This is what I have put some color. So this is what you get. Once you get this, you are supposed to interpret this. Now how do you read this image? It's mentioned in your lab manual. Okay. Whatever. Now this is what I had done for another particular map sheet. So I collected some other images, overlapped it, I got it like this. Now I'll explain you the interpretation of this particular image itself. The image generated is representing Greater Mumbai. The dark blue color represents freshwater. Now can you see here there are different shades here. There is dark here. There is dark here. If you compare to this seawater, this is pretty dark. So dark blue is representing freshwater. Lighter blue will represent salt water. Bright red color represents vegetable cover. Bright red is basically taken in infrared. So something which is bright, that means there is good vegetable cover. Darker will indicate higher amount of moisture content. So when there is dark red, it is actually indicating mangroves. Okay, this is how you need to interpret this. Grey color is indicating settlement zones. See, whatever is made out of concrete and all, it will radiate quickly. So whatever is grey, it is indicating that there is construction there. Okay, so this is what I want you all to do. Each one of you should do this. Each one of you should get a different image, or rather let's do it this way, because I can't assure. I'd asked you all to do this simultaneously while we do it on video conferencing, but I'm not sure whether that will work because of the internet connectivity. So you all do this individually. You all take any data. Why I told Greater Mumbai is because there are lots of images which are available online. So you compare these images with Google Earth images, okay, or multispectral images, and then put it in your file. Take a print and put it in your file. So your 7th experiment will be done. Any questions, please post them to me. Okay, you can rewind this video and check it for yourself. Alright? Fine.